Hey there, Atricia, and I've got something super important to share with you. If you're curious about whether Joint Restore Gummies actually work, stick around until the very end of this Joint Restore Gummies review, because I'm about to spill the beans on some crucial things you absolutely need to know before you decide to grab these gummies. First off, let me give you a heads up. Be cautious about where you buy Joint Restore Gummies. These gems are exclusively available on their official website to steer clear of any fake products. I've got your back, though. Check out the link to the official website down below in the video description. Now, the burning question. Do Joint Restore Gummies really do the trick? The answer is a resounding yes. Extensive studies and lab tests have been conducted, and guess what? A Harvard physician and Army veteran stumbled upon a groundbreaking formula that works wonders for knee and joint reconstruction using natural gummies. Imagine getting natural relief from joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation. These gummies deliver essential nutrients for healthy joint function, ensuring you can move around without a hint of discomfort and get back to doing the things you love. Trust me, you can rely on this product. Many folks out there have seen fantastic results with Joint Restore Gummies, and you can too. But here's the reality check. Every body reacts uniquely. I'm laying it out there so you can set realistic expectations for your treatment. Here's a game changer. You can test out Joint Restore Gummies for a full 60 days. If you don't see results, or if, for any reason, you're not a fan, claim your money back. Yup. Your money will be right back in your pocket. Plus, for these gummies to work their magic, you've got to take the treatment seriously. Stick to the daily routine. Otherwise, you might not see those great results you're after and end up feeling a tad frustrated. You might notice some changes in the first month, but the real magic tends to happen after 3 months of consistent use. Those who've committed to the treatment have experienced remarkable results. And the cherry on top, no side effects. These gummies are all natural, baby. So, here's my heartfelt advice. Be cautious with where you buy Joint Restore Gummies, so you don't waste your hard-earned cash or jeopardize your health. If you're diving into this, commit to the treatment, take it seriously, and remember that your journey will be uniquely yours. I truly hope this video has been a guiding light for you, and I'm crossing my fingers that Joint Restore Gummies bring heaps of positive changes and benefits to your life. Here's to your well-being. Cheers!